Mississippi mud. Like Playboy Cardi, hide it in my sock. I'm a Millie Rock while I'm on the block. Knock, knock, who's there? I told that nigga I just wanna talk. Once he opened up that door, I pushed that pussy nigga to the floor. They stole everything out the drawer. The police waiting outside. I said, Lil Devil, say goodbye. I said, fuck 12, fuck your whole squad, and then shot that nigga in his thigh.
Dramatic new video released of a robbery in Houston, smashing their way inside, rushing out with their arms full of high-powered weapons.
Bitch, I be ball like an athlete. Make a nigga run like he had a track meet. I'ma make sure the whole squad